Welcome to News Now Alberta. This is Special Ed. Today we are looking at a Nova Scotia Police RCMP officer who has 7 different counts of sexual assault against him.
This week, the RCMP announced Constable William McNutt was charged with a 7th count of sexual assault that occurred sometime between January 2nd and January 5th, 2023. He already faces several allegations dating back to July 2019.
Most people will not come forward who've experienced sexualized violence. Having some people come forward, though, may encourage others to come forward.
McNutt was originally charged with 2 counts of sexual assault following an alleged incident on July 31st, 2019. He is accused of sexually assaulting a second person on December 31st, 2022, and a 4th count in the following days, which was reported in March of this year. There were 3 more offenses on February 9th, 2023, sexual assault, uttering threats, and attempting to choke, suffocate, and/or strangle. 3 days later, he allegedly committed a 6th count of sexual assault, and a 7th more than a year later on May 30th, 2024. All of McNutt's charges are yet to be tested in court, which means alleged survivors of his abuse face a long road ahead.
Coming forward is beyond difficult to do, and then having it go to the court and go through a court process can extend that trauma for 2 to 4 years, as long as they're involved in a court case.
McNutt did not appear for his status report on Thursday afternoon in Shubenacadie. Instead, his defense lawyer Stephen Deegan phoned in on his behalf. On July 24th, McNutt is scheduled to make an election and plea on charges relating to incidents that occurred between December 2022 and February 2023. Regarding the newest charge, Deegan says it's unlikely he'll be able to go through all the disclosure to submit a pretrial application by McNutt's next court date. In a statement, Assistant RCMP Commissioner Dennis Daly says McNutt remains suspended without pay, adding his team takes all allegations of misconduct very seriously.
To have somebody in this magnitude of power abuse that power so significantly in this way has a profound impact on the victims or the survivors.
Ella MacDonald, Global News, Shubenacadie, Nova Scotia.
Now, he's technically still a police officer. He's technically still employed, but at least he's suspended without pay and not with pay, so he doesn't get, vacation all this time. But I think these charges are serious enough, and they're multiplying, that he should be fired, but they're going to wait to see how the court goes. And this is going to be in court for years to come. And what do you think of this? What do you think this cop deserves for all this? Let me know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.